Hey people, so today we have the Emperor, the Four of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. See, it seems like that maybe you've been in a position where you have been taking decisions for yourself, for others. Maybe um, you were in a leadership position where you were supposed to take decision for you, for your team. But over the period of time, maybe it also seems like you have ignored things coming your way, ignored subtle hints coming your way. Maybe people were not as um, happy with the kind of decisions being taken, or however the decisions were taken in the best interest of everyone. Not everyone takes it the same way. And that is where somewhere now you are feeling like, you have been backstabbed, you're feeling let down, you're feeling like people have not been able to understand what you did for them. But again, this is also the 10th card, this is the ending. There is a new beginning waiting for you. There are things that you can now do it differently. you know Sometimes we are so engrossed in doing what we are doing, the way we are doing, that we forget to see that people around us are maybe not taking it the same way as we want them to take it, or maybe people around us are not happy the way we have thought. It doesn't work for them that way. And see, being in that position, it is not necessary that everything that we do is right, and at the same time it's not like just because we think, others should also think the same way. It can work both ways. But in this case, somewhere it seems like the subtle hints that you were getting, or the kind of things coming your way, or different kind of opportunities coming your way, were somewhere ignored in the process. You've not seen those small things that have been told to you, and that is where you're feeling let down. So the universe is trying to tell you that there is a new beginning still, there is a sun rising again. So you have the opportunity again now to do things differently than how you did it in the past. So if right now you're in a situation where you're feeling let down because of people around you, because of people whom you have maybe helped along the way, and you're feeling let down because of them, then there are two ways to see it. One, that somewhere it might be our fault as well. We need to see where we were so engrossed in doing things that we forgot to see how they are feeling. And at the same time, you're getting an opportunity to make changes now. You know, you might get an opportunity again. And this time, try to do things differently so that even you are satisfied with what you are doing, and people around you for whom you are taking decisions, making decisions for, are also satisfied. So you just need to balance things out instead of overthinking about the situation that you are right now and thinking that I did so much and things didn't work out. It didn't work out maybe for various reasons, but one of the reasons might also have been you yourself, our own thoughts, our own shortcomings that don't let us see beyond certain things. You need to get out of that situation, and things will work out.